Hello to all my viewers. Today I will show you how to install a Westinghouse ceiling fan. First thing to do is turn off the 15 ampere light circuit breaker for safety. Remove the mounting bracket from the canopy. Attach the mounting bracket to the ceiling with metal furring. Use a 1/2-inch metal drill bit. This is the toggle bolt or wing bolt. That is 3/16 by 3 inches in size. Insert the toggle bolt into the mounting bracket hole first, before inserting it to the ceiling hole. Attach the anchor, fold it and insert it into the hole. Check if it opens properly inside the ceiling. And then tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. First, loosen the 2 screws on the yoke. Insert the wires into the canopy. Remove the downrod cross pin. Insert the wire into the downrod and attach the downrod to the yoke. Install the crosspin through the yoke. Insert the clamp pin into the crosspin until it snaps into place, and tie 10th yoke screw. Hang the fan motor assembly into the mounting bracket. Connect the black wire and blue wire to the line 1, and the white wire connect to the line 2. And connect the 2 green wire as a ground. And then screw the canopy into the mounting bracket. Engages the ridge on the mounting bracket. Attach the brackets to the blade using the screws, washer, fabric washer and nuts. Install the blade to the fan motor assembly, using the screws on the bottom. Connect the Molex plug from the fan to the Molex plug of the light kit. And the next thing is to attach the leg kit to the switch housing plate using the screws provided. And then attach the two bulb. Put the frosted glass cover and tighten the screws that hold it in place. Turn on the circuit breaker and switch, and enjoy the nice air from the fan. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much and see you next time.